Hi guys! Welcome back to Saretno Vlogs. And for 6 months, we haven't gone out yet, and we are in Davao City. So we are going to Crocodile Park. Crocodile Park. Welcome to Davao Crocodile Park. Saging, paborito ni Kuya ang saging. Ang ala, bakit? Like a bottle popcorn. Ganun po kanilang set. Ayan ang akin, Teka, pwede ka na uno. Ay, bakit na? Ayan, kumakain. Dito po siya sa Pilipinas makikita. Alam po natin ang they have a cycle down their foot, meaning foot is facing forward, and the other toes is facing backward. And the top of the pwede ba kuya? Wala? Ayun, okay. Ang ating, ayan po, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Ayun. Ayan, ang ating. Yan po yung gamit na kanyang tutos, are facing forward, ang kanilang, and siya na si Kuya Chris po, with our golden, blue and gold Macau. Ang ating golden blue Macau po ay hindi na pwedeng i-release sa wild. Kasi Go there.
siya, nakukutan siya ng pagkat, kaya hindi na po siya mag-survive sa wild. Ayan po. Nakabay na po na atin, Kuya. Ayan. Ang ating last animal ambassador na yun ay isa sa third largest part of all over the world.
Sige. Let's go. Mom, let's go. Wait. You're calling the eagle. Oh, you wanna touch the skin? Go touch it.
Crocodiles have safety and can grow up to 3,000 feet depending on their lifespan. Yes, sir. But they have the longest life force. The crocodiles of all animals. And this one is a saltwater crocodile. Kinakain po ng ating Philippine King Cobra ay snake din po.
Oh?
Oo, snake din.
Paano yan? May nag-breed kayo?
No po, kumakain din po sila ng rats. Pero pag may mag-turn over dito ng snake, hindi nakakain lang sa kanila.
Hindi na makakain yan.
Kaya madami na kami snake. Pangil is one of the largest crocodile in the world. Yes, sir, si Pangil.
Anong na pinakain yan?
Crocodile.
Chicken.
Saka baboy.
By the way, guys, meet Ate Ana.
Yan po. Tapos, ang crocodile, sir, is kapag natutulog sila, isang mata lang po yung nakapigit. Then, half lang po sa kanilang brain ang tulog. Kaya kahit tulog sila, sir, active pa rin po sila. Then, crocodiles are nocturnal, kaya dito siya gumagalaw. So, one of the largest. Ganun ba kayong bigat?
Wow.
And then the small one is that one. That's the small
Yung
one.
lizard.
Oh, I can see it now.
Actually, for lizard na dito sa dito sa ilalim dito sa kahoy. That's a bala monitor.
Nakaalis sila dyan ah. Makakatakas sila.
Dito. Kaya yan po yung purpose ng ano,
Ah, parang.
hindi nakaka-adjust eh.
Wallaby.
Ayan po. Sabano slime. Wallaby.
Wallaby.
So they also have
Looks like a
for their
kangaroo.
babies. Family of kangaroo din, pero smaller lang din.
Wow.
Size lang po yung difference and color.
Mas darker siya, no?
Yes po. Kasi yung kangaroo parang medyo brown.
Tapos malalaki.
Malalaki sir. The black crown heron and the red heron.
Bird siya, bird.
Birds na nakikita sa dagat sir. Sa mga rivers, kumakain sila ng isda. Yan po yung kinakain.
Ano, Nemo?
Dalawa lang.
Nemo.
So, ay tatlo sir. Dalawa po po isang black crown and heron.
Black crown.
Turn over animals.
Oh, it's in the Nemo. The bird. The bird. Yeah. There's a tortoise hiding.
Kumakain din yan ng fruits and vegetables.
It's a 50 years old tortoise.
Then turn over kasi hindi na kayang alagaan. Hello, Auntie.
Yun?
Sa tita. Oh, there's a lot of turtles.
Turtle, red ears lighting.
Can you see? There's no cat here. There's no cat. Are you looking for a cat?
Sabi sila lion.
Oh, dito siya na
You want to see a lion? Let's go.
Because naninipa sila, sir. Pero yung sipa nila, sir, is forward. Una yung pupus harap. Kaya nakakamatay. Unlike sa pusit.
Dangerous bird.
Yes po, one of the most dangerous birds.
Anong kinakain niya?
Fruits.
Wow,
Frugivore. So, we named her Lian. She's 4 years old.
Diyan.
4 years old, sir. Digong.
Four?
Meaning to Digong.
4 years old?
Oh, that's 2 years
Ako
old.
lang?
Just, yung female, sir, is 4 years old.
You wanna see a tiger?
Yeah.
No. Oh,
May snakes pa rin sa
oh, lots of snakes.
a lot of snakes here. Okay, so most of the snakes here, sir, are non-venomous, except sa mangrove snake.
Non-venomous na meaning hindi siya nakamatay.
Yes po, kapag nakakagat. Hindi po nakakamatay, except this one. Pero iba po yung venomous sa poison. Kasi yung venomous kapag nakagat. Then ang poison is kapag kinain po.
Oh, snake.
Hindi po nagpakita yung iba kasi nocturnal. Yung isa kayo po yung snake. Yung carpet snake.
Ew. Mag-alaga si Zerus.
Don't touch anything.
Wala lang naman yun siya. Oh, this one is a white-bellied sea eagle. Ayun siya.
Ayun siya.
It's a juvenile. Snakes! These snakes being
Pag nakataka siya.
carnivore sila sir, carnivore.
Monkey eating eagle.
Yan yun sir.
Ilan yan?
Yan sir. Saka yung Philippine eagle.
Pero ano?
Come here. Sir.
Hindi pa tabi to.
Palawan sir, sabi nga nila po. A bear, a cat, and a
Yung nasa show.
It's a bear and a cat. A bear, a cat, dalawang.
It's a bear cat!
Nakita mo ba ito?
7 to 8 years old. Ito na daw guys yung pwedeng gawing sisig. Oh, Dad, ito.
So, ano sir, ang mas sweet is, nila po yung may pinakamalaking mata. Yes, alam ko lang yun.
Ay, iniwan na ako. You wanna feed that fish?
Yes, 20 pesos po sir.
20 pesos. Only one. Ah, just like a tornado.
Here, Cyrus. At kay inside.
Ayan po. Sila po yung Bengal, tapos ito po si Siberian.
Parang matapang na.
Yes sir, babae kasi po sir. Babae to sir.
Tapang. Yay! Ito guys, yung totoong skin. Montag siya, diba? Oh gosh. And then may umbrella.
Look at the skin. Look.
Oh, that feels weird. Yan. Then this is the egg.
This a real egg?
Yan. Ito yung gawa yung bag. Yeah. And we have...
Mom, I got toys.
Oh yeah. We have a lot of toys here. Hi guys. Update. Super tiring. As in,
And gutom na kami.
yes. Yeah. Kami pagkatapos kumain kasi may pupuntahan pa kami. Next video.